Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting required papers and opening the registration portal. Fill the new vehicle registration form with chassis, engine, and owner details. Use accurate spellings. Once done, upload scanned ID, invoice, insurance, and dealer certificate, and pay fees online. Make sure to note the application number and payment receipt. These track the process. If a physical visit is needed, print the acknowledgement and bring originals for verification. This saves time and prevents rejections later. You next schedule or attend the vehicle inspection at the RTO or authorized center. The inspector verifies chassis, engine, and owner linkage. If a mismatch appears, request corrective entries immediately. Once the inspection report is issued, upload it and pay road tax and HSRP fees. Save the VAT/receipt. Make sure to follow any additional state-specific steps. Some states require offline forms. After payment and upload, monitor the application status. Processing times vary by. You will receive either an ERC download link or a dispatch notice for the physical RC. Download and keep copies. Once the RC is issued, cross-check all details: name, address, chassis, and engine numbers. If the physical card is pending, track courier or collect it at the RTO with acknowledgement. Troubleshooting tip: if processing stalls, confirm payment receipts and inspection report uploads, then contact the help desk with your application number. Discrepancies are the most common cause of delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.